Hey warriors, let's play a quick game. How many tabs do you have open right now? 5? 10? 15? Well, congratulations. You're not multitasking. You're just paying a 40% tax on everything you do. Here's the brutal truth. Your brain isn't a supercomputer. It's a one-lane road. Every time you switch tasks, you crash. And here's the kicker. It takes 23 minutes to get back on track. That's longer than most of my past relationships. But before you spiral into guilt, let me tell you, it's not your fault. We've all been sold the multitasking lie. And today, I'm here to break it down for you. By the end of this video, you'll have the ultimate productivity blueprint to stop the energy leaks, focus like never before, and finally reclaim your time. Ready to transform your life? Let's dive in. In today's fast-paced world, we've been conditioned to believe that doing more equals being more productive. But what if I told you that's the biggest lie of all? Think about it. When was the last time multitasking made you feel accomplished? The truth is, multitasking isn't efficiency. It's a trap. And it's costing you time, energy, and focus. In this video, we'll explore the myths of productivity and uncover the secrets to becoming a monotasking master. Whether it's breaking free from the busyness shield, escaping the clutches of toxic productivity tools, or learning how to make decisions without draining your brain, we've got you covered. So grab a coffee, but maybe not 37 of them like I did while making this video. And let's get started. Chapter 1. The multitasking myth. Let's start by busting the biggest myth of all, multitasking. You've probably heard people bragging about how they can juggle 5 things at once. But here's the science. When you try to do 2 tasks simultaneously, your brain's efficiency drops by 40%. That's like buying a $5 coffee and pouring $2 straight into the trash. Why does this happen? Because your brain isn't designed to multitask. It's a one-lane road, not a multi-lane highway. Every time you switch tasks, your brain has to reset. This process, called context switching, takes an average of 23 minutes to recover from. Think about that, 23 minutes. That's longer than it takes to watch an episode of your favorite Netflix show. The solution. The monotasking buffet. Here's your cheat code. The monotasking buffet. Instead of trying to do everything at once, pick one task and give it your full attention for 20 minutes. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish. Chapter 2. The busyness shield. Now let's talk about busyness, the ultimate productivity killer. We've all been there. Back-to-back meetings, endless emails, and a calendar so full it looks like a rainbow exploded. But here's the thing. Busyness isn't productivity. It's a shield we use to avoid doing real work. Why do we do this? Because being busy feels safe. It gives us a sense of importance. But the truth is, every urgent task you prioritize is a tax on your future self. The math behind busyness. Every time you fake prioritize an urgent task, you're taking a 40% energy hit. That's the energy you could have used to tackle something meaningful. The fix. The hell yes or no filter. Here's your new mantra. If it's not a hell yes, it's a no. Asterisk, that meeting where you're just a wallpaper prop? No. Asterisk, that project that excites you? Hell yes. Start filtering your tasks this way, and you'll be amazed at how much time and energy you can reclaim. Chapter 3. Productivity theater. Let's talk about your productivity tools. You know, the ones you swear by: your to-do list, your calendar, your bullet journal. Here's the harsh truth. They're not helping you. They're gaslighting you. The problem. Toxic productivity. Have you ever spent hours color-coding your to-do list, only to realize you haven't done anything? That's toxic productivity. It's the illusion of progress without the substance. Science calls this pseudo-productivity. It's like reheating leftovers for your brain, filling, but not fulfilling. The cheat code. The 5-second progress rule. Next time your to-do list overwhelms you, pick one task and commit to doing it for just 5 seconds. That's it. 5 seconds. Why? Because starting is the hardest part. Once you begin, you'll likely keep going. Chapter 4. Decision fatigue. Now let's tackle one of the sneakiest productivity killers. Decision fatigue. Every day, your brain plays a game called "Should I do this now or later?" Spoiler alert. You lose every round. The cost of decision fatigue. Every maybe you entertain sucks 3 hours of brain power. That's enough time to watch Titanic and still have 45 minutes to cry. The fix, the hell yes or no filter again. If it's not a hell yes, it's a no. Say no to 3 things before breakfast tomorrow. You'll feel like a rebel, but your brain will thank you. Chapter 5. The 2-minute surrender rule. Let's talk about stress, the silent productivity killer. Have you ever let a tiny stressor, like an unanswered email, spiral into a full-blown meltdown? That's your brain's broken escalator mode. The solution. The 2-minute surrender rule. When stress starts to spiral, hit pause. Set a timer for 120 seconds and tackle the issue. Reply to that email, fix that typo, or apologize to the barista. It's not about perfection. It's about stopping the avalanche before it starts. Chapter 6. The energy audit. Finally, let's talk about reclaiming your energy. The daily audit. Every day ask yourself, did this task fill my battery or drain it? If it drained, fire it. You're not a task machine. You're a battery that deserves a full charge. Remember, productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters. So over to you. What's your #1 energy leak? Drop it in the comments, and I'll reply with a fix. If this video helped you banish burnout, smash that like button and subscribe for more life-changing productivity tips. And hey, if you want to support this channel and connect with me directly, check out my Patreon link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay focused, stay energized, and keep crushing it.